Hey, how's it going? This is Andrew here with Suncoast doing a 3-screen install. Talon is installing the recess tracks, and so the benefit of the recess tracks is that we can actually hide the track inside the stone. Before the rock goes on, we come and we put some inserts in. The rock that has been left out at the top, and so we just leave that top little part out. That way our housings can go in, and then once our housings are in and they rock back up, they leave us about an inch of gap so that we can still get our housing covers off without a problem in case of service or anything like that in the future. That does have to take place usually at the beginning of the build. We've got the big one, screen number 2. So again, we've got the recess track on either side. This one here above on the back side of the barbecue is just going to land on top of the wall there. We've got the recess track on the right side, and then we've got a standard track on the left side. So standard track there, hiding the recess track there on the rock. This is our door here. Going to swing out onto the landing, giving access to the space from the outside. So that's pretty much this job here, going smoothly. We'll be done this afternoon.